today. Later she came back. Thank you so much, Bibsa. All yours link drop. There she watching all your videos. Thank you for coming, guys. And stand by here. Live stream. God bless you all. Ayan, thank you so much, Bebs, sa pag-accommodate ng aking mga viewers. Everyday Monday. Everyday Monday. Di ba pwedeng everyday Tuesday? Or Wednesday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday. Everyday Monday. Alright, bihis muna ako, guys. Bibihis muna si Mama. I'm done na Zumba. Nagsumba kami sa kubo kasi umambon. Send ko muna pala kay Sis Linda yung Vita Plus. Vita Plus. Sis Linda Daguplo. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Ang ganda naman ni Sis Lin, oh. Yuka ni Mama, bibihis lang si Mama. I love you, Yuka. I love you, Yuka. I love you, Yuka. Saan titripan, Yuka? Yan. Sala like. Hi, Astro. Astro. Hingi ka pagkain? Ha? Astro? Oh, malinaw na yung mata mo, ha. Wala nang mga ano, ha. I have a cat here, Sir Andy. The name is Astro. I took it from your dog. Ang kalaban ni Yuka. Ang kalaban ni Yuka ay si Astro. Sit down, please. Sit. Sit down, sit down. Yuka, sit down, please. Sit. Come on. Sit down, baby loves. Oh. Sit, sit, sit. Down. Down na, down na. Pag-akit dyan.